If you find yourself missing that perfectly balanced drink from your favorite bar or bartender, or maybe you're trying to make drinks at home and you can't get them quite right every single time, in this video I'm going to show you my favorite cocktail to start with to find perfect balance by demonstrating one of the 50 essential classic cocktails from the Nimble Bar Company's cocktail guide. And if you stay with me right to the very end of this short video, I'm gonna make you an offer that I think you're gonna find pretty hard to refuse. The cocktail is a daiquiri. If I can get you to take away just one thing, it's that a slushy daiquiri is not a traditional daiquiri. All a traditional daiquiri is 3 ingredients: rum, lime, and a little bit of sugar. We are going to start mixing. I'm gonna start with the lime, and if you wanna get more juice out of the lime, it's always a good idea to roll it around a little bit. So I'm gonna squeeze 3/4 of an ounce of fresh lime juice. And I'm gonna add 1/2 ounce of a 1-to-1 simple syrup. So all that is equal parts sugar to water. We're always gonna start with less sugar than acid because we can always add more sweetness to it later. I'm going to add 2 ounces of rum. It really doesn't matter what rum you use. Use this cocktail as an opportunity to explore different kinds of rum. So we're gonna add 2 ounces of the rum. In fact, anytime a cocktail has only 1 alcoholic ingredient, chances are really good that we're going to be using at least 2 ounces of spirit. I have everything in a daiquiri in our pot. You probably noticed that I didn't add any ice to it. That's because as soon as we add the ice, the drink is cooking. So we want to have all of our ingredients in the pot first, and then we'll add ice. All right. Let's give this a good shake. We're gonna seal our shaker, make sure it's secure, and shake. Now there's no right or wrong way to shake. The only thing that matters is that you shake it hard. We often say that we want to wake the drink up and not put it to sleep. This glass is chilled. It just came from my freezer. I'm just going to give this a quick taste. Oh, yum, 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 yum. All right, and now I'm going to fine strain it. Again, that's just a preference thing. I like a really clean texture. Some people like ice chunks or little flecks of pulp. Doesn't really matter. Then to finish this off, we're just gonna garnish with a nice little lime wheel, and we can put that right in the drink. And there you have it, a classic traditional daiquiri. If you found this video helpful and you'd like to dive deeper into the world of mixing drinks, exploring flavors, and finding perfect balance, I want you to check out the cocktail guide. This is a guide that we have used to help hundreds of our students in the past learn how to make perfect drinks themselves. It's normally only available to our students and clients, but since right now is a pretty good time to learn how to make drinks, I want you to have it for $4. We won't be able to extend this offer for very long, so click the button below, enter coupon code HOMEBARTENDER, and it will be yours for $4.